This is model number 13 now. So in this model also, he has not shown any front view, top view and side views. So again, so from any view we can start doing the modeling here. So now I am going to choose this wave. So it means this plane I'm going to select, and I'm going to draw this sketch now. This sketch, right? So let us start CATIA. So I told you, as soon as you start CATIA, it start with the product. By default it starts with the product. So you need to close this product because we are not doing any product here, we are doing part designing. Close this, go to start, mechanical design, select part design. So you need to enter the part name here. If you want to enter, you can enter the part name, or else you press OK. So here I am going to select this plane, go to the sketcher. Now I am going to draw this. So like this. So select the profile toolbar, go here from like this. So I think you understood. I have drawn this one now. So right, you need to give the dimensioning for this. So how to give the dimensioning here? So double click on this. I'm giving this overall dimension and this dimension, and so from here to here dimension is there, from here to here again he has given the dimension. So from here to here you give the dimensioning for this, then you need to give this dimensioning. So you give this dimension and this dimension as well, and this dimension now. So your sketch becomes completely green now. So you need to change the dimension as per the dimensions given in the model drawing. So this is 140 and this is 35. 140 and 35. This is 140 and this is 35 now. This is 35 and this dimension is 30. 30 now. I'm going to give this as 30. This is 30 and this is 20, 20, 20 and 20. This is 20. This is also 20, right? And now this is 60. So the gap here is 60. This should be 60, or to give 60. And this is again 20. This is 20 now. This is 20. And how about this dimensioning now? This is also 20. This is also 20. You have to give this as also 20 dimensioning, right? So this is perfect now. This looks similar to like this now, right? And here this height he has given as like this, it is 30, but here there is a 25 is there, so there is a gap between, so this line and this line. So this is 30, this is perfect, but this is not 30. You need to delete this line now. So you do one thing, you undo this, undo. So this is not 30, actually this is 30, but this one you need to delete it. So give the dimensioning. From here to here it is 30, but from here to here this is another dimension is there. This should be 25 now. You need to enter this as a 25 dimensioning. 25, enter. So it is something like this now, right? So it is 25. Now it is looks similar to, so like this, right? Now go to the part design. So you need to pad this. So pad means up to how much it is total, this distance you need to pad it. This is 80 distance now. So you need to pad up to 80. right? Up to 80 you need to pad it. Here it is 20, 20, 40, 40. This is 70, not 80. This is 70 now. So I'm going to pad here. So this is a 70, enter. So it is something like this now. This is 70, right? Now you have to cut these two. Select this plane. So you select this plane like this. Select this plane. You have to cut this, right? So now I'm going to the tabs. Go to this plane, right? This you can extract or 3D project it. From this you need to draw a circle. From this line you need to draw a circle. This circle is of radius 20 and half of this it should be, right? Half of this you give the dimension. This is the how much diameter. This radius is 20 and the diameter is 40. So you change diameter to radius. You enter here 20, enter, right? So then again from this point to this edge it should be 35. It is 35 now because it becomes at the center. So it is something like this now, right? It is like this. So now you go to the trim option. You select this. It should from here to here. Stop this. Select this and stop it from here. So exit from the sketcher now. So you need to pocket this. So go to the pocket. So you should only one sketch you can pass both these. So how much distance? Now I am going to enter the total distance as around 120, like this. Then press OK. So this is the drawing now. This is the model, 3D model. You need to make two holes here and here. So two holes means 20, half is the center point, 70, 35 is a half, the total pi 10 is there. So go, I'm going here, use the hole option here, select this here. So go to the sketch, give the dimension here. If I give the dimension should be from here it is 10, from here it is 35, from here to here I'm taking it as a 10. This is 10, and now I'm taking from here to here it is 35. From this point to this point it is 35. Enter. And what is the diameter of it? The diameter is 10 now. Exit. So it is by default it is 10. Total depth of it is 35. So enter. This is 35. Enter and press it OK. So this is a hole on this side. Similarly you give hole on this side. Go to again hole option. Select this face. Again in this go to the sketcher. You give the dimensioning here once again. So from here to here it is a 10. Again from this edge to here it is 35. Then it becomes the center of 70. So this is 35. Enter. So again exit. So then it is 10 and 35. Press it OK. So now this is your model. So this is your model as per the drawing here. So now for this you need to draw the front and side views here. The front view, top view, side view. Alright. So go to start, mechanical design, go to drafting. So when you drafting, press OK. Select the front view, go to window, select part 1. I'm going to select this as the front view here. So you'll get it something like this. So for this now I'm going to draw the top view. Go to the projection views, select projection view. This is a top view. And for this I'm going to draw the side view. Select the again projection view, give the side view. So for this now I'm going to select all the three views. Right click, go to properties and select center line, hidden line and axis must be on. Keep these three things on and press OK. So you'll get something like this. right? Then you need to give the dimensioning for it. How to give the dimensioning now? So since this front view is active because the dotted frame is in the red color indicates it is active view. So select these two axes, blue axis, and hide this. Go to dimensioning, give the dimensioning for this, it is 140, and give dimensioning for this, it is 35. And what is the dimensioning of this? This is 30. And give the dimensioning for this line, means what is this is 20. Similarly, this you can give the dimensioning, this dimensioning, give the dimensioning for this as well. So this, double click on this, select this, this is again 20, right? Again select this, this is a 60. Again this, you can just delete this. Go to dimensioning, again this is 20, right? And you are shown this is 30, and this height you can show it, this is 25. So right, similarly you need to give the dimension in the right view. So right view, you double click on this to make this view active. So then these two blue axis lines must be hidden. So to give the dimension here, so go to the dimensioning, or I'll go to the radius. I'm selecting this for the showing radius. Go to the here and select the second option. So the radius is 20 here. This radius is 20. So now I'm giving the dimensioning. So this total, what is the height of it? It is 70 now. This is 70, right? And total height of this you can show, that is 30. It is shown in this side view. So this dimension is not required. So only the whole dimensions are required. So double click in the top view. Again here also blue axis must be hidden. Hide this. So then coming here, so go to the dimensioning, select this whole. So it will show you R, it is showing in the R. So better you go here and select the diameter. So now select this, it is showing diameter. Select this, go to second option and keep it here like this, right? Now you can give the dimensioning for this. Select this. So from this center axis to this line is how much? It is 35. Give it here. And again from this center axis to this, it should be 10. Like this you have to give the 10. Here 10 hole is there. You have to go to the text, select here and type it here, 2 holes. Press OK. So it means that there are 2 holes are there of 2 holes of this is 2 holes are there of pi 10. The distance 10 and 35. Here also it is the same. So this is the drawing. So you need to select all the views and you change the font sizes to look bigger the dimensions. So it and now you can see it clearly. So now you switch off the frame. So select all the views from the specification tree. Right click on this. Go to properties. Then switch off display view frame, press OK. So now this is the perfect drawing of this particular model number 13.